Welcome to this video about Circle Assure's market after USDC breaks dollar peg. Recent reports indicate that the USDC stablecoin, a cryptocurrency backed by actual USD reserves, broke its peg and dropped significantly below $1 on some exchanges. In response to these events, Circle has released an in-depth market assurance report outlining steps they are taking to ensure the stability of their markets. Through this video, we'll review the report's details and show how Circle is helping maintain trust in the digital asset industry during uncertain times like these. London, March 11. Reuters, Stablecoin USD Coin, USDC, lost its dollar peg and slumped to an all-time low on Saturday before recovering most of its losses after Circle, the firm behind it, assured investors it would honor the peg despite exposure to failed Silicon Valley Bank. Circle said in a tweet on Friday it has $3.3 billion of its $40 billion of USDC reserves at Silicon Valley Bank. On Saturday, the cryptocurrency company said in a blog post that USDC liquidity operations will resume as normal when banks open on Monday morning in the United States. As a regulated payment token, USDC will remain redeemable one-for-one with the US dollar, the company said in a blog post. The cryptocurrency firm said that in the event the bank does not return 100% of deposits, it will cover any shortfall using corporate resources, involving external capital if necessary. The coin broke its $1 peg and fell as low as 88 cents shortly after 0800 GMT 3 a.m. Est on Saturday, according to market tracker CoinGecko, and recovered to trade around 97 cents by 2100 GMT. Silicon Valley Bank collapsed on Friday in the largest U.S. bank failure since the 2008 financial crisis, roiling global markets and stranding billions of dollars belonging to companies and investors. Circle said in a tweet on Friday that the company and USDC continue to operate normally, while the firm waits for clarity on what will happen to Silicon Valley Bank depositors. Meanwhile, U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase said in a tweet it was not allowing USDC to be exchanged for US dollars over the weekend while banks are closed, citing heightened activity, while it plans to resume swaps on Monday. Joseph Edwards, the investment advisor at Enigma Securities, said the situation was extremely serious for USDC. No matter how sound Circle's operations are, this sort of depend on a stablecoin tends to fundamentally undermine confidence in it, Edwards said. The short-term implications here are dramatic and unknowable, especially once systems start to have to be adjusted to the reality that one USDC isn't trading at one United States dollar for the time being. Constant exchange rate. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a constant exchange rate with fiat currencies backed by a central government rather than a physical commodity such as gold. For example, through a 1-to-1 US dollar peg. Used in cryptocurrency trading, they have surged in value in recent years. USDC is the second biggest stablecoin with a market cap of $37 billion. The largest, Tether, has a market cap of $72 billion, according to CoinGecko. USDC's price usually holds close to $1, making Saturday's drop unprecedented. According to CoinGecko data, its previous all-time low was around 97 cents in 2018, though in 2022 it fell just below 99 cents when cryptocurrency markets were roiled by the collapse of crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Traders have been on guard this week for signs of contagion in the financial sector and beyond, from troubles for Silicon Valley Bank and crypto-focused Silvergate, SI, which this week disclosed plans to wind down operations and voluntarily liquidate. Boston-based Circle said it had moved a small percentage of USDC reserve deposits held at Silvergate to its other banking partners last week. The chief executive of cryptocurrency exchange Binance said in a tweet on Friday it had no exposure to Silicon Valley Bank, as did Tether chief technology officer Paolo Arduino. Stablecoin issuer Paxos and crypto exchange Gemini also tweeted that they do not have relationships with the bank.